Hello, avid explorers. Welcome to Traveling Kangaroo, your ultimate travel guide. Today, we're setting our compass due for the captivating state of Missouri, a place filled with vibrant cities, iconic landmarks, and rich history. We'll be delving into the wonders of St. Louis, Kansas City, the legacy of Mark Twain, and so much more. From the flowing Missouri River to the birthplace of Eminem, we've got quite the adventure ahead. So buckle up and let's embark on this exciting journey through the fascinating state of Missouri. First off, we land in St. Louis, Missouri's largest metropolitan area. Known as the Gateway to the West, St. Louis is a city steeped in rich history and culture. It was here where Lewis and Clark embarked on their famous expedition, setting the stage for the westward expansion of the United States. Today, St. Louis offers a diverse array of cultural attractions, from the melodious notes of its blues music to the mouth-watering delights of its signature barbecue. A visit to St. Louis wouldn't be complete without a stop at the iconic Gateway Arch. Towering over 600 feet, it's the world's tallest arch and the tallest man-made monument in the Western Hemisphere. This symbol of the city offers a breathtaking view of the metropolis and the Mississippi River. With its vibrant culture and historical significance, St. Louis truly is a must-visit city. Next up, we head to Kansas City, known for its barbecue, jazz heritage, and, of course, its plentiful fountains. This vibrant city is a culinary hotspot, where the smell of mouth-watering barbecue wafts through the air. The city's love for slow-cooked, smoky, and savory meats has put it on the map as one of the world's barbecue capitals. But Kansas City isn't just about food. It's a city that moves to the rhythm of jazz. This music genre found a home here in the early 20th century, and that legacy continues today with live performances in clubs throughout the city. And let's not forget about the city's stunning fountains. With more than 200 scattered across the city, Kansas City is often referred to as the City of Fountains. These beautiful water features range from ornate sculptures to interactive waterspouts, adding a touch of magic to the cityscape. From mouth-watering BBQ to soothing jazz, Kansas City is a feast for the senses. Did you know that Missouri is the birthplace of the famous author Mark Twain? Born as Samuel Clemens in the small town of Florida, Missouri, Twain's childhood experiences along the Mississippi River inspired some of the most beloved American literature, including The Adventures of Tom Sawyer and Adventures of Huckleberry Finn. His vivid depictions of Missouri life offer a unique window into the past, painting a vibrant picture of the state's history and culture. Mark Twain's legacy truly adds a touch of literary prestige to this state. Flowing across the state is the mighty Missouri River, the longest river in North America. A crucial artery, it has long served as a conduit for transportation and commerce, bearing the weight of trade on its broad shoulders. But the river is not just about business. It's also a playground for outdoor enthusiasts, offering abundant opportunities for fishing, boating, and simply soaking up the serene beauty. The Missouri River is indeed the lifeblood of the state. Let's now head to Branson, dubbed the live music show capital of the world. This vibrant city is a mecca for music lovers, boasting over 100 live shows on any given day. Branson is an entertainment powerhouse, with venues featuring everything from country and gospel to rock, pop, and even magic shows. It's a city that never sleeps, with a performance ready to captivate your senses around every corner. Among its many attractions, the famous Silver Dollar City stands out. A throwback to the 1880s, Silver Dollar City is an amusement park that combines history, culture, and entertainment. Here you can enjoy traditional crafts, thrilling rides, and of course, live shows. But the magic of Branson goes beyond the stage. The city is dotted with museums, adventure parks, and dining establishments that offer a feast for the senses. So whether you're a music fan, a history buff, or just looking for a good time, Branson has something for everyone. With its non-stop entertainment, Branson sure knows how to put on a show. We can't talk about Missouri without mentioning the breathtaking Ozarks. This expansive region, sprawling over southern Missouri and into neighboring states, is a spectacular showcase of nature's artistry. Its rugged beauty, characterized by mountains, caves, rivers, and forests, paint a picture of serenity and adventure that's hard to resist. Outdoor activities abound in the Ozarks. From hiking and biking on scenic trails to fishing and canoeing in clear waters, the Ozarks offers a plethora of experiences for those who love to immerse themselves in nature. And then there's the Lake of the Ozarks, a man-made reservoir that's a world in itself. With over 1,000 miles of shoreline, it's a hub for boating, water sports, and fishing, attracting millions of visitors each year. The Ozarks is more than just a place. It's a feeling of awe and wonder, a testament to the power and beauty of the natural world. For outdoor enthusiasts and nature lovers, the Ozarks is a paradise. Missouri is also home to Anheuser-Busch, the birthplace of Budweiser beer. Established in the mid-19th century, this brewing giant has deep roots in the Show-Me state. Anheuser-Busch has not only contributed to Missouri's economy, but also to its culture, with the iconic Clydesdale horses becoming a symbol of the brand. The brewery in St. Louis offers tours that take you through its history and the art of beer making. For beer lovers, a visit to Anheuser-Busch is a must. Missouri was also the starting point of the legendary Pony Express. This was a mail service that revolutionized communication in the 1860s, using horseback riders to deliver letters and newspapers across the vast expanse of the American West. The riders braved harsh conditions and hostile territories, delivering mail faster than ever before. This innovation played a crucial role in the expansion and development of the western United States. The Pony Express adds a dash of Old West charm to Missouri's history. And lastly, did you know that Missouri is the birthplace of the rap superstar Eminem? Born Marshall Bruce Mathers III in St. Joseph, Missouri, his journey from a troubled childhood to becoming one of the most influential rappers in the world is nothing short of remarkable. His gritty lyrics and raw talent echo the resilience and spirit of Missouri, making him a true symbol of this state's modern cultural landscape. Missouri's claim to modern fame, Eminem, adds a touch of cool to this diverse state. And there you have it, a virtual tour of the fascinating state of Missouri. From the iconic gateway city of St. Louis to the vibrant rhythms of Kansas City, the literary legacy of Mark Twain, the timeless beauty of the Ozarks, and even the birthplace of Eminem. We've explored the essence of Missouri, painting a picture of a state filled with diverse attractions and rich history. Thank you for joining Traveling Kangaroo on this journey. Don't forget to subscribe and visit our website travelingkangaroo.com for more exciting travel content. Until next time, keep exploring.